What qualities do you think are important for an accounting supervisor? I believe the most important qualities for an accounting supervisor are communication skills, leadership ability, and attention to detail. It's essential to communicate clearly with team members and ensure everyone understands their tasks. How do you ensure your team meets deadlines? I set clear goals at the beginning of each project and regularly check our progress. I also encourage my team to communicate any challenges they face so we can address them together. Can you describe your leadership style? My leadership style is collaborative. I believe in working closely with my team, providing guidance when needed, and encouraging them to share their ideas. This approach helps build a strong team dynamic. How do you handle conflicts within your team? When conflicts arise, I address them quickly by facilitating a discussion between the parties involved. I encourage open communication to understand each person's perspective and find a solution that works for everyone. How do you prioritize tasks in your department? I prioritize tasks based on their impact on our overall goals and deadlines. I use a system where I categorize tasks as urgent, important, or low priority. This helps me and my team stay focused on what needs to be done first. Describe a time you improved a process in your previous job. In my last position, I noticed that our monthly closing process took too long. I introduced a checklist for each step, which helped the team stay organized and reduce the closing time by 30%. This made our reporting more timely and efficient. How do you handle stress during peak accounting periods, such as month-end or year-end? During peak periods, I focus on staying organized and keeping communication open with my team. I also ensure we take breaks to recharge. This helps maintain morale and keeps productivity high during busy times. What is your approach to training new accountants? I believe in a hands-on approach to training. I start with a thorough orientation about our processes and tools. Then I pair new hires with experienced team members for shadowing and gradually increase their responsibilities as they become more comfortable. Can you give an example of how you've used data analysis in your role? I regularly use data analysis to track our financial performance. For instance, I created a dashboard to visualize our expenses and revenues. This helped identify trends in areas where we could cut costs, leading to a 10% reduction in unnecessary spending. How do you ensure accuracy in your team's work? To ensure accuracy, I implement a system of checks and balances. After each report is completed, we have a peer review process where team members cross-check each other's work. This minimizes errors and enhances accountability. What do you think is the biggest challenge facing accounting today? I think one of the biggest challenges is keeping up with technology changes. Automation and AI are changing the industry, and we need to adapt by learning new tools and methods to remain efficient and relevant.